morning guys, and welcome to my vlog. So I wanted to do a day in the life video today because I have a very exciting day and very eventful day, so I want to take you guys with me and show you guys the day in my life. It is currently Thursday. I think it's around like 9 right now. I actually woke up at 8 and I've been up and moving around a little bit, and like I was downstairs talking to my mom, but I haven't actually gotten up and done anything that I needed to do today, so we're gonna get up now and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I've never done one of these before. I think I wanted to, but I never had like a day that was interesting enough to film, so we're gonna do it today. I'm planning on getting my nails done later. I'm going to sushi with my sister, and I have some other like work things that I need to do, so yeah, I'm very excited. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and little bell icon to be notified when I post, which is Tuesdays at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love to have you join the YouTube family. We're on our way to 800, so let's see if we can get there by the end of April. Hopefully we can. Alright, I guess I should get up now. Also, I want to show you guys my like morning outfit, or my PJs, because they're just so cute. Look at these little shorts. I got them off Depop. They're from Target, but obviously we don't have a Target in Canada, so I got them from Depop and they just came in the other day and I'm obsessed. They're so cute. Okay, so part of my morning like ritual, every day when I wake up, I'll come sit at my desk and I do a little bit of this little 5-minute journal. I got this off of Amazon. Basically every day that you write in it, there's just a little like section for what you're grateful for. You write in there what would make today great, daily affirmation, highlights of the day, and then what did you learn today. So you do like these ones in the morning when you wake up, and then these at night before you go to bed. And I just feel like overall doing this book, I don't do it every single day. I try to. Sometimes I forget. I mostly forget to do the part at night, but I just find like overall with doing this, it just kind of makes you more of like aware of your life, and honestly I feel like a little bit happier doing this. It just makes me feel like more put together and ready for the day. So I try to do this every single day. There's a little place for the date at the top, and then also on every single page there's like a little quote that you can read every morning. So I do that, read this every single morning. This is 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think by Brianna West. I also ordered this off of Amazon. I ordered these together off of Amazon, and I think in total it was like 50 or 60 bucks for both of them, so not too bad. And honestly, reading this book, I'm really like amazed by it so far. I can't even explain it to you, like you just have to get it and read it. I originally found these on Pinterest, I think, and I just wanted to try them out, and I really like both of them so far, so I highly recommend do that. And then also I do my little planner every morning, so it just says a lot can happen in a year. This is from 2022. So every morning I write in this everything that I need to do for the day, and then throughout the day while I'm completing my tasks, I just kind of check it off, and I feel like it for sure helps me get things done more and helps me stay organized and know like what I need to do. So I actually already wrote in this for today for from last night, because I was feeling extra productive last night. So I just have like all this written down here. And then also like sometimes I'll write things for the next day. So like for tomorrow I have my physio at 6, I have my credit card bill due tomorrow, and that's like stuff that I have for the day. But then like on this side here I have a little like bullet points you can write stuff. So yeah, so I do that every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you guys. Okay, so now that I'm done reading that, I'm just gonna like review what I'm doing today, and I'll tell you guys. So on my list, I want to film this video. I want to take pictures for my Depop and post on there. I have a ton of clothes that I've been getting rid of, and slowly, like day by day, I'm just taking pictures of everything so I can post them. check out my Depop. It's linked down below, and I'll put the page right here. I also want to send some more emails to different brands, post a reel on Instagram, post some TikToks, and then I have this like course thing I'm working on, so I want to do that. And I also want to get my nails done, so I guess I'll add that. So I'm done with that, and before I do anything, I kind of want to shower, so I think I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to get ready. So I just got out of the shower, and I actually went downstairs and had some breakfast as well, but I forgot to record that. So now I'm back at my desk, and I'm just brushing my hair, so I put my little hair oil in. I honestly took a shower because I got my period last night, and I had really bad cramps. I used a heating pad last night, and they like kind of went away, but now they're still here. I usually only have them the first day that I get it, but for some reason I still have them now, so I thought it would help. It didn't. But that's okay, we're gonna power through. Mine are not that bad, so I think it'll be okay. If not, I'll just cry. And then I'm just gonna put my hair oil in. So I recently got this one, this little hair oil. So this is Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. And it's penetrating oil for all hair types. Basically, I feel like it just makes your hair kind of like softer and like really smooth. So I've been using it lately, and I feel like it definitely makes a huge difference in my hair. So after I brush my hair, I just put like a little bit of that on my hand. And then I just go like this and just put it in my hair. It smells so good too. So I recently started watching You again because I really like that show. They just came out with the 3rd season, I think like in September or October, so I already watched all 3 seasons multiple times, well except the last one. I only watched that one once, so I'm starting it again because I literally ran out of things to watch. I'm off work right now because I had a shoulder surgery a few weeks ago. I'll show you guys my scar after. It's pretty cool. But yeah, so I'm not currently like able to work, like go to work, so I've been working on my social media stuff. And like really focusing on that. But since I can't do that, I've literally been sitting home working on my social media and watching stuff, and like I literally ran out of things to watch. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. I have Disney Plus, I have Netflix, and obviously they have good like stuff on YouTube as well. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. Nothing that sucks, please. I'm gonna let my hair air dry a bit, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to just start my makeup. Which one should I use? I don't know, got the pink with hearts, cheetah, and little cat ears. Kind of want to do like a makeup tutorial for you guys and show you guys like all the new stuff that I got and what I'm currently using, so I might do that soon. I think that is way too much. I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup, and then I'm gonna move on to my Okay, so I just finished my makeup. It took me a lot longer than usual for some reason, but this is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. I've been using some new products that I found, and I like them. Okay, so I'm just going to do my hair now. It's pretty much completely dry, but it's still wet, like a little bit, just damp. So I'm gonna use this Revlon. I have no idea what the name of it is. It's like one of those blow drying curler brush wand things. If I can find it, I'll link it down below, but this one's by Revlon. It has a little pink on it, which I love. So it dries your hair while like styling it at the same time. So I'm gonna use that really quickly and then I'm gonna get dressed. Here's the finished look. Basically, that wand just gives you like the blowout effect without actually getting a blowout. Looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna do this like side part for today because I like how it looks rather than like my normal middle part that I do every day. I kind of like how this looks. Like, I'm gonna leave it like this. Cute. Oh my god, I need to color my hair so bad. Do you see that? It's like growing out. It looks so bad. Time to color my hair again. The problem is that I want to go back to my normal hair color, which is blonde, but I box dyed this myself dark, and hairdressers get really mad when you box dye your hair like almost black. It's like a dark brown color, but it definitely looks black. The box is dark brown though. So they get really mad when you do that because apparently it's really hard to get out. So I'm gonna have to find one that won't be mad at me, but I don't know. And also like it's so hard. I don't want to like damage my hair by bleaching it and trying to get it back to blonde by myself. It's gonna be a whole process. I'll have to look into that and see what I can do because I don't know, but I have to like keep dyeing it obviously, and then I'm just adding more layers of the dark color into it, which will make it even harder to get out. Okay, so we got to the sushi place and they are not doing dine-in at the moment, which we didn't know. So
we're idiots and didn't call ahead.
Yes. So we just placed a like takeout order and we're just waiting. They said like 10 to 15 minutes. It's been like 10, I think. So that's Coco. So we're just waiting to get our food. We got some Starbucks. This is mine. I got a passion tea lemonade with light ice. And also on the way when we were driving, we stopped at the mailbox. So I got my little package from Depop. And I'm going to open it and show you guys. Look how cute this little paper is. It reminds me of like those Barbie hearts they used to have on everything Barbie. Do you remember those?
No, like, what the heck is everything Barbie?
No, those like, remember we had those like erasers that were Barbie and they had like the hearts on them. Yeah, they look like those, don't they? Look.
I swear I had an eraser that looked or like a pencil set that
exactly like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. It's so cute. Oh, it's actually like packaging. I thought it was paper.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so I ordered this like Nike top. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it has a little, it's so cute. I'll put the seller's name on the screen. I don't remember it right now. Oh my god, that's so cute. She gave me this little butterfly sticker. This little heart sticker. Cute. Oh, her name's right here. Okay, perfect. And this little business card that says Julie Hampton. Cute. That's so adorable.
Oh, that is cute. I like how it's very like 90s themed.
Yeah. All her stuff is like Y2K and everything. Okay, so I got this cute little Nike top. I really hope it fits me. I'll try it on when I get home.
Oh my god, what are the stickers for?
Oh, some people on Depop just do that. Like, they'll send little... I used to do that too. Like, I don't anymore because I just don't have the time. But I used to print out these little business cards and then I'd send little, like, gifts with it too.
That's cute.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the top. It's this little Nike, little, like, tank top. It looks... I'm scared it's going to be too big on me. Actually, no, I think it will fit.
If it's a little loose, just take it in.
Yeah, I can just take it in on the sides if it's a little big, but it looks kind of like vintagey. It's definitely Y2K. It's so cute. I love it. What do you think?
It's cute.
Yes, I agree. And it's like a built-in bra.
Is it crossback?
Yeah.
What's it called? Not halter.
Racerback.
No. Racerback is when it goes together.
Oh yeah. I don't know. I just think it's so cute.
Cross back.
Yeah, it crosses in the back, so like this goes over your shoulders, and then it's like that.
I'm fashionably inclined. So,
So cute. I love it. So yeah, that's the top.
We're just gonna sip our Starbucks in right now. Alright, we finally got our food. So this is seafood rice, and it has shrimp and crab in it. It's just regular like fried rice with that stuff in it. She also got that rice, and then we have this sushi with crab, avocado, and cream cheese. It looks so good. Okay guys, so I am back home now. I just got back from the nail salon actually. I didn't end up filming anything in there just because it was really quick, like only half an hour, and obviously you need your hands back and forth, so I didn't end up filming it. But this is what I got, so just little like black French tips. I had white French tips before, so basically I just switched it, but I think they look so cute. I've never had these nails before, so I really like it. There definitely will be a picture on my Instagram of these. But yes, I'm home now. Lunch was super good. Sorry if it's like darker in here. The weather's bipolar today. It literally was so sunny and warm earlier, but like really, really windy. And now it's cloudy and gray, and I don't like it. I feel like it's affecting my mood, but it's fine. Yeah, so now I'm back home, and I'm just gonna do some emailing to some brands. Gotta do my work for the day. I've been checking off my checklist, and I did some things already. I posted some TikToks and my Instagram reel and an Instagram picture, so go check it out. Follow my TikTok and my Instagram. Everything's linked below, and I'll put the names. Okay, so it's like the next day. I just forgot to end the vlog the other day, and it was like getting kind of dark, and I was really tired, so I didn't end up ending it that day. But I just wanted to like show you guys the top that I got from Depop really quick. You saw it earlier in the vlog, but I want to try it on and like see how it looks. I hope that I like it, but I'm just getting ready to go out right now. I might start another vlog right after I finish this one. But we're gonna go out and do some shopping, so I'm getting ready right now. I did my makeup. I'm about to do my hair, but I don't want to mess up my hair trying on outfits afterwards, so I'm gonna get dressed and do my hair. But before I do that, I'm gonna try this on. I'm really hoping that it's cute and I like it and that it fits me, because I'm normally an extra small in tops, and this is a small, and Nike is usually fits pretty big on me. But it's from Depop, so I can't return it now, so I really hope that it fits me. We'll see. Okay, so this is the top. I think it looks so cute. It actually fits me, thank God. It makes my bust look like pretty big, honestly. It's a little bit like, I tucked it in a bit, so I feel like I could take it in on the sides just to make it look like a little more snatched, because I feel like it's a little bit loose like around my waist, but it does fit pretty good. I actually really like it. It's so cute. I feel like a little like housewife from the 2000s, you know? I feel like my mom used to wear stuff like this, and like the only reason I'm saying housewife is because I recently watched Desperate Housewives, if anyone knows that show, and literally they used to go jogging and stuff like this, so that's what I'm saying. I feel like a little housewife. I just put on with these little like Nike capris that are so cute. I got from the thrift store. So yeah, honestly I might tighten it a little bit on the side, or even like crop it just so it's like there, not super short, but it just looks so cute. I love it. I'm so happy with it. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Don't mind the mess in the background, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I think I'm gonna go back to doing vlogs once in a while because I really enjoy them. They're fun. I think I'm gonna start another vlog right after this one actually. So yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!